Cleaning can often be a mundane task, but injecting some humor into the process can make it a bit more enjoyable. Here are 10 jokes and puns to lighten up your cleaning routine. 1. Why did the broom go to school? Because it wanted to be swept off its feet by knowledge. 2. What did the dirty mop say to the clean mop? You're looking so mop-pressive today. 3. Why did the rag break up with the sponge? Because it felt like their relationship was just scrubbing the surface. 4. How does a dust bunny keep its house clean? With a dustpan and brush. 5. Why was the vacuum cleaner so loud? Because it had a lot of dirt on its chest. 6. What do you call a group of tidy cats? The perfect cleaning crew. 7. Why don't ghosts like to help with cleaning? Because they're afraid of dust bite. 8. How do you organize a space party? You plan it while you vacuum. 9. Why don't mops ever win awards? Because they always get swept under the rug. 10. What do you get when you cross a broom and a potato? A sweeping potato.